Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Trezor. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the included USB cable. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the official Trezor website. From there, you'll download and install the Trezor Suite application. This software is essential for managing your device and will guide you through the initial configuration steps, ensuring a smooth start to securing your digital assets. Once Trezor Suite is installed, you'll be prompted to install the latest firmware on your device. This update is crucial for security and functionality. After the firmware is updated, you can choose to create a brand new wallet or recover an existing one using your recovery seed. Always ensure you're confirming the device's authenticity by checking its unique fingerprint displayed on both the device and the software. The next critical step is to carefully write down your recovery seed. This is typically a 12-word or 24-word phrase, and it's your only backup. Store this seed in a very secure, private location, completely separate from your Trezor device. Finally, you'll set up a strong PIN for your device, which can be anywhere from 4 to 9 digits long, adding an essential layer of security. To further enhance your security, consider enabling passphrase protection. This creates a hidden wallet, adding an extra layer of defense against unauthorized access. Remember to regularly check for and install firmware updates, as these often include vital security improvements. Exploring advanced settings, such as hidden wallets, can significantly boost your privacy and the overall security of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.